Expect tornadoes, expect isolated supercells like we see right here. Expect hail, 1.5-inch hail, right? It's pretty much going to be the worst spot of this system. Those of you who remember the super outbreak in 2011, between April 25th and April 28th, there were over 350 confirmed tornadoes that touched down. So we're going to see a major storm in the northern Midwest for multiple states. You can expect supercells, you can expect tornadoes, you can expect hail, etc. Now we're going to break it down and kind of help you guys out in that region. So we're looking at wind speeds of about 50 miles an hour, anywhere between 45 to 55 mile an hour winds. You'll see this system spin up at about 11 p.m. tonight. So if we just go through our time lapse, you see there's a very severe thunderstorm in there. South Dakota, central South Dakota, even northwest South Dakota, southwest North Dakota. Expect severe thunderstorms at about 2 a.m. Tomorrow. And as we shift over, you can see Minnesota, right, just west of St. Paul. Again, severe thunderstorms. And then you can see that North Dakota, that system is moving slightly north, right, but it's still in that southernmost part of the state. And then central South Dakota. And so we just keep moving along here. This is where it's getting pretty severe. You can see all these separate systems. And over Fargo and west of Walker, again, there is a massive system right there. And that same system is going to move just slightly eastward. And you can see that as it's shifting. From what we've seen from the data as of right now, we're looking at as far north as central Minnesota down to central Iowa. That entire area is expected to have severe tornadic activity. So expect tornadoes, expect isolated supercells like we see right here. Expect hail, 1.5-inch hail, right? It's pretty much going to be the worst spot of this system. Now, as you spread out from central Minnesota, central Iowa, the risk starts to lessen, but there is still a risk. So you folks in Wisconsin, you folks in Missouri, even northwest Illinois, right? Eastern South Dakota, southeastern North Dakota, the rest of Minnesota, the rest of Iowa, right? Those of you who are not in those central locations of each state of Minnesota and Iowa, you are still at moderate risk. But if you are in central Minnesota all the way down to central Iowa, that is going to be the rough spot. Based on what we see here, we have those north, even northwest winds pushing those warm temperatures from the Gulf upward. And so we're going to see those temperatures clash here in a second. So you have temps of about 71 degrees clashing with temps of 52 degrees, right? That is a huge, huge temperature change. And it gets really violent at this point, right? About 5 p.m. Monday is going to get pretty violent. Now, before that, you're going to see some activity as well, but 5 p.m. as of right now does appear to be the peak of the system. Please share this video with people who are in the area who might not even know what's going on. They don't know this is happening or it's going to happen. And please let us know that you are safe. And also let us know how you're preparing so someone else reading the comments, that could potentially help them out as well. Thank you for your support. God bless. Stay safe. Stay sanctified.